If you have the pupils book, go to page 30, exercise 1. If you don't have the pupils book, you can write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to do the exercise. Si tienen el pupils book, vayan al ejercicio 1 de la página 30. Si no lo tienen, escriban en sus cuadernos estos números 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write the foods and drinks. Here we have the foods and drinks. Sandwiches, a bottle of water, cereal, vegetables, a cup of coffee, fruit. These words go here. Hay que completar esto o poner a qué se refiere eligiendo esto. Por ejemplo, hagamos juntos la primera. Number 1. You can eat this for breakfast. You put it in a bowl and put milk on it. You can eat this for breakfast. You put it in a bowl and put milk on it. Cereal? Maybe. So write cereal. Okay. Now I'm going to give you some time. Ahora les voy a dar un ratito para que ustedes lo hagan, ya sea en el Pupils Book o en sus cuadernos. Vean qué será number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, and 6. Y escriban qué palabra de estas iría acá. So we said that number 1 was cereal. Number 2, it's a drink, it's black, it's hot. A cup of coffee. Okay, go on. Do number 3 and then we check. Ready? Number 3. I bring this healthy drink to school every day. Drink, and it is healthy. Sandwiches? No, it's not a drink. A bottle of water? It's a drink. Is it healthy? Yes, it's healthy. So, a bottle of water. Yes. Now do number 4. Number 4 says, carrots, onions, and potatoes are all... Ya taché las que usamos. And we have sandwiches, vegetables, or fruit. Carrots, onions, and potatoes are all vegetables. Very good. Now please do number 5. Apples, oranges, and pears are all sandwiches or fruit. Fruit, of course. And number 6, the last one, you make this food with 2 pieces of bread. Okay, so the only one left is sandwiches. Okay, very good, kids.